Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of VI Tech Academy. In this video, we are going to discuss about another amazing AI tool. Yes, I'll reveal it. Wait. My name is Ratul and I'm your host for today's video. So guys, if I'm saying you or if I ask you to create a powerful and stunning presentation, yes, PowerPoint presentation, are you able to create it? If you know Microsoft PowerPoint, maybe you are able to create it. But if you don't know Microsoft PowerPoint, then how to create? For that, we have an amazing AI tool. So today, we're going to discuss about an AI tool that will help you to create Microsoft PPT, PowerPoint presentations in just few clicks and few seconds. Everything will be done by the AI. From the content research, to create points, adding images and much more. The best part is you can create small slides for free. Even you can download them and edit them as per your requirement. It sounds interesting, right? So after watching this video, you are also able to create beautiful and stunning slides and PowerPoint presentations even if you're using mobile phone. I'll be showing you the tutorial using computer, but still you can use the same website from a mobile phone. Just you need to turn on the desktop mode. Before starting the video, I have two announcements for you. If you first time listen to me, don't forget to subscribe to VI Tech Academy for more useful tech tutorials with screen readers. After subscribing, press the bell icon and choose all notifications so that you will never miss any upload. If you want to support us, you can give thanks. The thanks button is showing at the below of every video. You can also join us as a member and enjoy exclusive benefits such as early reply, early access videos and much more. Membership starts at 29 rupees only. Thank you Mr. Akarsh, Mr. Pratap Vasu and others who have already joined us as a member. If you want, you can also join. Click on the join button to learn more about the membership. So for that, I have just opened a new tab in Google Chrome.
New tab, Google Chrome.
And in Google Chrome, I type slidemake.com,
slidemake.com. Selection removed. Slidemake.com selected. SlideMake, AI slideshow maker and generator create.
Okay, so now here I'll find many things. If you want, you can create the account, but I will not create the account right now. I'll show you without creating the account. If you create account, you will also have some additional benefits. So let me press down arrow.
Clickable mainland heading level 3 AI slideshow create and download topic 100 characters max.
So you can generate slideshow and each slides content 100 characters, or you can give the topic within 100 characters.
Enter a short topic. Art history. Edit space.
Short topic.
Main landmark.
So in this edit box, you need to type the topic. Let's suppose I'm just giving job. Opportunities in digital.
Job plan.
Again I'm typing job.
Opportunities
in digital marketing. So I've just typed this small in that you can select comment, or if I'm using the term of AI, so I can say it's a prompt for this AI. Now I'm pressing tab.
Enter number of slides, edit blank.
Enter number of slides. So for free you can generate up to 10 slides. I hope you can generate up to 20 slides if you create account here. So let me enter the 10
Left.
10 and I'm pressing tab again.
10 checkbox not checked.
So there are two check boxes. First checkbox, it says that if you want to include the images, so you can check this box check. Though I believe that if you add images, they won't give you the proper alt text, so that maybe the slides with images are not 100% accessible for you, for screen reader users. If you want, still you can try it on your own. And second is
checkbox not checked.
Let me check.
Button checkbox not checked. 2 space add placeholder images. Checkbox not checked. Include references if of it blank.
So include references.
Checkbox.
So if this AI has any references for the topic, it will include. So if you want, you can use it. For now, I'm just using
checked. Make presentation button.
And just click on make presentation. After that, you can check out whether your presentation is making or not. For that, you can use your arrow keys.
No indent bullet at bullet 2x bullet long way bullet long result unlabeled heading Larry's graphical create and download slides top enter number of language blank checkbox not check button over 1 mil clickable over click button save.
See, it is already created. So once it is created, see
button download over button make presentation over 1,000,006 clickable button download.
Download options is there. So if you just visit up arrow down arrow, it will be open.
Button save.
Save.
Button settings.
Settings.
Heading level 2 job opportunities and click a button download over 1 clickable.
So let me download it and let us open it through Microsoft PPT.
Download button clickable table heading level 4 settings and options. Theme
Let's see
combo
whether
box
it will work or not. Some themes you need to choose.
Table combo
I'm
box up to combo box
defaults
download PPTX button link.
PPTX. So from here you need to choose the download preference, download in the sense of PPTX preference, and click on
download PPTX
link.
Save as dialog. File
so
name.
it is asking me to save it.
Files not selected.
Save it.
Desk documents downloads items view list. Downloading job opportunities and digital marketing. PPTX 0% remaining alert. Download complete.
So it is now successfully downloaded. I'll open it through Microsoft PowerPoint. Let me go to downloads.
Run dialog. Downloads tab selected 1 of 1. I selected. Early today grouping expanded. Job opportunity.
So let me press enter.
PowerPoint on waiting for PowerPoint job opportunities
and let me start the slideshow.
Slideshow slide 1 job slidemate.com slidemate.
So they are just doing their promotion. That's great.
Slideshow slide 2 overview of digital marketing job opportunities. Bullet digital marketing offers a wide range of career options for bullet job opportunities and digital marketing continue to grow as businesses shift towards online platforms. Bullet slideshow slide 3 digital marketing specialist. Bullet digital marketing specialists are responsible for creating and implementing online marketing strategies. Bullet slideshow slide 4 social media manager. Bullet social media managers oversee a company's social bullet.
See, everything is written by the AI and AI is creating the content.
Slideshow slide 5 SEO specialist. Bullet SEO specialist. Slideshow slide 6 content marketing manager. Bullet content marketing manager. Slideshow slide 7 email marketing specialist. Bullet email marketing specialists design and execute. Slideshow slide 8 paid advertising specialist. Bullet paid slideshow slide 9 e-commerce marketing manager. Bullet e-commerce marketing. Slideshow slide 10 data analyst. Bullet data analysts and digital. Slideshow slide 11 future trends and digital marketing job opportunities. Bullet as technology continues to evolve. New job roles in digital marketing.
11 number slides also there.
Slideshow slide 12 references. Bullet digital marketing institute and careers in digital marketing.
References
slideshow
slideshow is completed. So this is the slides I mean this is the PowerPoint presentation I made using an AI tool. This is just amazing. For small presentation, it's very good. But what if you want to create a detailed presentation? You have the topic, you know what to do, you know what to discuss, and you're creating a presentation for your professional purpose. Then how to create? How you can add the image? How you can do the proper alt text and all? For that, you have to learn PowerPoint with Screen Reader. And we are happy to announce that we have an exclusive course of PowerPoint with screen readers, especially with JAWS and NVIDIA users, and this course is going to start very soon. So without any delay, you can just go and register for that course, enroll for that course, so that you can learn how to create stunning presentations even if you are a screen reader user. This is an 1 month duration course and it's a certified course. So visit our website from the about page of the channel. Also, I'll try to put the link in the first pin comment, so you can go there, you can read about the course and join immediately. So this is how you can easily create slides or PowerPoint presentations using this AI tool. If you love this video, if you have enjoyed this content, don't forget to press the like button and share this video with your loved ones. If you have any questions, doubts, feel free to ask into the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. See you in the next tutorial. Till then, bye.